If you work with circular knitting machines and you're bored of just making beanies and scarves, here's another project for you that you can make within 1 to 2 hours. It's this little camisole tank. So this project just consists of panels grafted together at the side with some optional crochet at the bottom to finish, and then straps of your choice. Without color changes or embellishments, this project can actually be done within an hour. And the best part about this really fast project is you can customize it in so many ways. For example, you can add multiple colors to create some patterns and stripes. You can also add optional ribbing to the bottom and the top, and also get creative with the types of straps you add. To start this project, you will need to figure out the size that you are looking for. For me, I wear about a size extra small to small, so I went with just 2 panels. So I knitted one panel with 70 total rows, and then I knitted a second panel with 70 rows. Then I'm going to finish them and connect them at the sides. If you need a larger size, you can add additional panels as well, and then just graft them all together. You'll also need to measure from your neckline to where you want the length to be, so that you can make sure that you do enough rows for the length that you want. For 70 rows, which is what I knit, I ended up with about 15 inches. And I'm also going to add an additional crochet ribbing to the bottom of this. So again, with this piece here, I just knit 70 total rows, and I did 30, 20, and 20. And that's going to be my design. But you can, again, do as many color changes as you want, or you could just use a single color like the white one that I showed earlier. It really is up to you. And if you have any questions with panels, I do have a playlist that you can find all the information you need to work with panels to get to this step here. Once you have your pieces, come back here and I'll show you how to put it all together. So first thing we need to do is finish the tops and bottoms. And when we talk about finishing, you can do this whatever works for you. I just did a single crochet across the bottom of this piece here and then removed the waist yarn. I'll also do the same thing to the top portion up here. I'll just do a single crochet across and then remove this waist yarn. And then I'll repeat the same process over on this piece here. When you're ready to attach panels together from the circular knitting machine, the first important tip for you is to either steam block or wet block your pieces to prevent curling on the edges. Now there are a couple of options that you can do to graft your pieces together. So it really depends on what your ends look like. So if you have really smooth ends that are pretty even all the way down, you can actually use a mattress stitch. And that's what I prefer to use, because then you don't have to worry about what color the yarn is that you're going to attach it with, because it gets hidden within the stitches. However, there are other stitches that you can do as well. So you could turn your piece so that it has right sides together, and then using your darning needle and thread, you could just stitch just back and forth, or even a whip stitch, just stitching both sides together from the inside, and that would give you a pretty clean look on the outside as well. Drawback to that is most likely you will be able to see the yarn from the right side, which if you're using the same color, it's not a big deal. But in this case, I'm using a color that's going to be noticeable since I have 3 different colors. So for me, the mattress stitch is the way to go. Once you have your sides grafted together and you've finished your edges, the last step is to add your straps. But I'm going to actually do something a little different with this top because I want to get creative. Now, my original goal was just to do another round of cream with a single crochet on the top and then just do some spaghetti straps. But I've been really into crochet lately, especially granny squares, and so I have an idea. So I made this little granny square, and what I have a vision for now is what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to crochet, do the cream single crochet all the way around until I get back here, continue to do a crochet around the edges, and then I'll come back in with the same cream straps and just loop it through here to tie around the neck. And here's how my finished project turned out. Taking just the simple camisole, the very quick base that we started with, and just adding on those additional embellishes to really customize this and make it something unique. So don't forget to check out my knitting machine playlist for more knitting machine videos, and happy crafting, everyone!